Howdy again. Today we're diving into the vibrant world of perennials. These are the plants that grace our gardens with color every spring and summer, year after year. Unlike their annual counterparts, perennials offer long-lasting beauty with significantly less maintenance. It's a smart, colorful investment for any garden enthusiast. Let's explore some favorites: daisies, coneflowers, and daylilies. Each brings its own unique splash of color, texture, and life to your garden. These perennials not only thrive in a variety of conditions, but also invite a diverse palette that can be tailored to your garden's aesthetic. Planting perennials starts with soil preparation. Dig a welcoming home for them, twice as wide as the root ball, and enrich the earth with compost. Next, space them out for breathing room. Nestle each plant into its spot and introduce them to their new home with a thorough watering. A layer of mulch will keep the moisture in and the weeds out, setting the stage for a garden that's as carefree as it is beautiful. Imagine a garden that greets you with waves of color every year, with minimal effort on your part. That's the magic of perennials. So why not embark on this colorful journey? Plant perennials today and let your garden be a testament to enduring beauty and simplicity. Day 28 of 29 DIY curb appeal projects. More on flowers, perennials. What can I say? Some of these are great, awesome color, and no fuss year after year. Like and share. See you tomorrow for the final video of this series.